Ready to take your Jeep doors off but still want full visibility and safety? In this video, we'll show you how to install the Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions A-pillar mirrors, the perfect upgrade for doorless driving days in your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator. So let's go over what you get when you purchase one of our mirror kits. You get two fully assembled mirrors comprised of the mirror stem, and the A-pillar mount. You get two longer bolts, a small and a large Allen wrench, F-it tool, low profile wrench. You get two 20mm ball mounts with O-rings. And of course, you get a Bulletpoint sticker. Before you begin, you'll have to remove your Jeep doors or have tube doors installed. Our mirrors will work with both setups. You'll also need a few tools for the installation, like a trim panel removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a socket wrench with an extension. Our mirrors are pre-configured to install on the upper portions of the grab bar. However, they can be flipped and mounted on the lower half if preferred. Just loosen the nuts on each mirror assembly and swap the A-pillar mounts. Start by popping off the top panel using your trim removal tool. And you'll notice a bit of resistance when you go to pull it off because there's a little leash that prevents this panel from being lost. So just pull hard and it'll come out. You will not reuse it. Next, use your 10mm socket to remove the factory bolt and washer from the vehicle. You will not reuse them. Take the correct mirror for the side that you're working on and slide the tab on the base of the mirror into the small opening located in the vehicle. Wiggle it back and forth until the mount sits flush with the grab bar. Then insert one of the longer supplied bolts into the hole and tighten it down with the included Allen wrench. Now it's time to hop in and adjust the angle and positioning of the mirror. Once you've dialed in the perfect angle for your mirrors, you can tighten down these three bolts with the included low-profile hex wrench. You can still make minor tweaks to the mirror positioning even with these three bolts tight. However, for larger adjustments, loosen the bolts and reposition the mirrors. Now let's not forget about the most satisfying part of this installation. Now, just repeat the same steps on the passenger side. That's it, your mirrors are fully installed. When the time comes to put your doors back on due to bad weather in the forecast or changing of the seasons, removal of our mirrors is both fast and easy. Start by taking your F-it tool to loosen the end nut. Finish unthreading the nut by hand, which will allow you to remove the mirror and the mirror stem. And now you can put your doors back on your Jeep, leaving the base of the mirror installed in the vehicle. But wait, it's time for some bonus features. Each mirror features a forward-facing 20mm ball mount, which is perfect for attaching one of our GoPro-compatible action camera mounts for capturing epic trail footage. If you'd like to mount a device facing the cabin, use the F-it tool to remove this nut and swap in the included 20mm ball mount. Just tighten it down with the larger included Allen wrench. This gives you a solid spot to mount a phone or cabin-facing camera. And that wraps up the install for our A-pillar mirrors. If you have any questions or need help customizing your command center, you can always reach out to our helpful customer support team by visiting bulletpointmountingsolutions.com. Thanks for watching and go Bulletpoint!